Good afternoon everyone. In this particular video, we will be discussing regarding the 17th chapter of your syllabus, that is web designing. In this particular chapter, we will be discussing regarding the HTML language as well as how to create the HTML document. The HTML was invented by a scientist by name Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now let us see what exactly is Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext, in the sense you are creating an hyperlink to the text. That is, whenever you click on a particular word or else a particular content in a web page, it will redirect you to the next page or some other page, which is known as the hypertext. Now let us consider an example. If you open wikipedia.com, what happens is all the content will be appearing black in color. The text will be appearing probably black in color. Some of the text will be appearing blue in color. If you click on the text that is appearing blue in color, what happens is you will be redirected to the next page. So that is happening because of the hyperlink. Such a text is called as hypertext. So hypertext will lead the user to travel or redirected to the next page. The next thing is called as markup language. Markup, in the sense we can use the all formatting tools like bold, italics, underline. All these formatting tools can be used in your HTML web page. So that is known as the markup language. So this is regarding the hypertext markup language. Now in HTML we will be making use of the tags. Now let us see what exactly is a tag. A tag is nothing but an hidden keywords that will decide how exactly the content needs to be appearing on the screen. Now some of the text will be bold, some of the text will be italics, some of the text will be underlined, some of the text will be big in size, some of them will be small in size, some of them will be having different colors. So all these things will be possible just because of the tags. So the tags will decide how exactly the content needs to be appearing on the browser screen. Now let us move to the next topic, that is called as the structure of HTML document. So like the C++ program as a structure, even the HTML document what you are creating is also having a structure. Firstly, in every HTML document we will be making use of the HTML tag. Each and every tag will be having an opening tag as well as the closing tag. So a closing tag will be differing from an opening tag by using a slash. So if there is a slash, it represents it is an closing tag. If there is no slash, it represents it is an opening tag. So the first tag what you are using in an HTML document is an HTML tag. It begins the document. The next thing is called as the head tag. So the head tag will be consisting of the basic information of the document, that is you can make use of the title, whatever the title you are giving to the document, all those things will be embedded within the head tag. After the head tag, you have a title tag. Within the title tag, you are giving the title of the document. Once after the title tag is being closed, we are closing the head tag. Then comes the body tag. Within the body tag, you are writing the code that needs to appear on the monitor screen or else on the browser. Next, you need to close the body tag and then the HTML document. So this is how exactly the structure of the HTML document looks like. Now let us move to the next topic, that is called as the advanced HTML tags. In advanced HTML tags, you have various tags that are available. The first kind of advanced HTML tag, it is called as the text formatting tags. In the text formatting tags, we will be coming across the 5 different types of text formatting. The first one is called as bold. If you want the text to appear bolder, we will be making use of the bold tag. The keyword used to represent the bold is B. The next one is called as italics. If you want the text to be slanted, then you will be making use of the italics tag. The keyword used is I. For underline, we will be making use of the U tag. And you have another 2 tags that is called as strong and emphasized. Strong and emphasized works in the same way as that of bold and italics. Now, I have given you the program that represents the basic HTML document. So, I have made use of the first tag that is called as HTML. After HTML, we need to make use of the head tag. Within the head tag, I am making use of another tag that is called as title. Always the tags needs to be represented within the angular bracket. Within the title, I have given the title of the program, that is my first program. After that, I have closed the title tag. You can see the opening tag and then the closing tag. The title opening tag doesn't have a slash, whereas the closing tag is having a slash. Once after that, I am closing the head part. After that, we are going for the next part of the HTML document, that is called as the body part. Within the body part, what I am doing is I am using the basic formatting tags, all the basic formatting tags, that is bold, italics, underline, strong and then emphasized. So what I am doing is I am using bold tag. B is used to represent the bold tag, and I am writing Sahyadri within the bold tag, and I am using BR. BR stands for break. What happens is break is nothing but like you are using enter key. It is like an enter key. What happens is the cursor moves to the next line. Whatever the content you are writing, that content appears in the next line if you are using the break tag. After that, I am using italics, underline, strong and then emphasized. For emphasized, I am using the tag, the keyword that is called as EM. EM stands for emphasized. So after writing the entire program, I need to close the body tag and then the HTML tag. Once after doing this, I need to save the document. For saving the document, what I have to do is I have to go to File, Save As, type the name of the file followed by the extension .html. Okay, all the HTML file needs to be saved in the extension .html. Once after that, you save the file. Okay, you will be getting an icon, whether it might be an Internet Explorer or else it might be a Google Chrome. That particular icon will be appearing on the desktop. When you double click on that, you will be getting the outputs on the monitor screen. So the steps have been given how to create an HTML document. You can go through the document and you can create your own HTML document. The next topics will be explained in your next upcoming videos.